So, para kay Papa, sana nag-enjoy ka today pa and happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng sacrifices mo sa amin, sa family, and sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung more birthdays together as a family. Mag-celebrate tayo as a family.
Happy birthday, my beloved brother. Sana malakas palagi ang katawan mo. And thank you for taking care to our mom. Happy birthday. I love you, brother.
Welcome to a celebration of life. And this is a grand 60th birthday celebration. Long live Guillermo! Cheers!
I'm feeling good. You know me. I'm all about my business.
May kakainin mo. Bawasan o aruman? O sige laban. Sige kasi may palbangon. Kakasya po may palbangon. Nasaan? Kabuasan lang.
Got that die. I gotta go big 'cause I got that. Gotta go big 'cause I got one life. I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good 'cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Happy 60th birthday pa. Yan, another milestone na unlock. And yun, a good health lang and sana hindi ka magbago. If there's a award for being the coolest biyanan, that would be you pa. Yeah.
This moment, come with me. I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good.
Pa, 60 ka na. Marami na tayong discount. Mabilis. Sana, huwag kang magbabago. Maging, matatag, masipag.
Feeling good.
Sana hindi magbabago yung ugali mo, anak. Magpakabay ka. I love you.
Feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good 'cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good 'cause I never say never. 'Cause I found my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
O yun, sige lang. Salamat sa kayo. Indagop nyo sa yung 60th celebration of my birthday. Thank you very much.